Over the next 10 to 12 minutes, you'll get 6 proven hook formulas based on examples from MrBeast, Neistat Vsauce, Ted, GaryVee, and Airrack, and you'll use them to build strong openings for your vertical or horizontal videos in just 5 minutes. Keep your next video topic in mind because we'll build the hook for it as we go. Let's dive in. So, a hook is the first few seconds of your video where you instantly deliver a promise of value and create intrigue. For vertical videos, 3 to 5 seconds is enough. For horizontal videos, 8 to 15 seconds is great. And I explained all of this in the psychology behind hooks in detail in another video. If you've missed that episode, add it to watch later. Otherwise, a lot of these things here might feel unclear. Now let's get practical. We'll start with the strongest one, the shock hook. So, a shock hook is an opening that breaks the viewer's expectation with a bold action, a big promise, or paradoxical statement. This is how MrBeast opens his videos all the time. I did X and here's what happened. The goal is to trigger an instant, wait, what? And immediately provide a mini proof so the viewer believes you and stays. Okay, so a shock hook has 3 components. A punchline statement, so an unexpected action, fact, promise, and then it has stakes. What's on the line? Why does it matter right now? And then quick proof, 1 line or micro demo to make the viewer believe it. And here's how to format it. For vertical, go straight to the punchline, plus micro proof. Here's how I will build it. In 5 seconds, I'm pouring water all over this laptop and testing whether $2 film can save it. For horizontal, use a punchline plus stakes plus a promise of the journey. Here's how I would do it. I lived on $3 a day in Los Angeles, and I'll show you where I saved money and what absolutely doesn't work. This hook works in any niche. So for cooking creators, I'm adding salt to coffee. Sounds awful, but wait for the first sip. For finance creators, I invested $10 into the weirdest asset I could find. Here's the return after 24 hours. We collected all templates and more niche specific examples in a guide we made with the Sociala team. The link is in the description. Also, here's how to amplify shock without clickbait. Tell the truth, but pick the most unexpected angle and show proof in the hook itself. So numbers, the final shot, a timer, make the stakes specific. Time, money, constraints. If it fails, I'll do X. Don't promise the impossible or dangerous. If there's a risk, add safety context. And here's some mistakes to avoid. A slow buildup. Today, I'm going to talk about cut it. Empty shock without value. Add what the viewer gets from watching immediately. Breaking expectations equals punishment. They leave after 15 seconds. Overcomplicated phrasing. A shock hook should be readable in 1 breath. Okay, let's move to type 2, the question hook. This is Neistat's favorite hook format. He loves opening videos with something like, why does this even work like that? The question instantly triggers, that's about me, and gives a reason to stay, because what follows is the answer and the path to fixing it. A question hook is an opening where you voice the exact question your viewer already has. It should be short, specific, and hit either a pain point or a desired outcome. This hook works best in education, how-to content, productivity, finance, fitness, tech reviews, and creator growth. So when your audience has a common mistake or sticking point and you know how to fix it. So the question hook has 4 components: pain or goal. Why isn't expected result working? Content specifics. Even if you're already effort and steps taken, stakes or urgency, and you are losing either time, money, opportunity every week. Promise of solution. We'll fix it in N steps right now. Format variations. So for vertical use, question plus stakes plus solution. Here's an example. Why are you editing longer but not getting faster? We'll fix it in 3 steps. And for horizontal, question plus context plus a mini roadmap. Here's an example. Do you know why most people don't grow views even if they post every day? Let's break it down with 3 reasons and build a simple 30-day plan. This hook works in every niche. So for cooking content, why is your steak always dry? 1 step fixes everything. But here are some common mistakes. Too broad of a question. How do I get better? The viewer doesn't recognize themselves in this question. No promise solution sounds like a complaint and not a guide. A long intro before the question. You'll lose attention in vertical formats. Mismatch with the content. You promise one thing but talk about another. Overcomplicated wording. The question should be readable in one breath. So next up, we've got type 3, the story hook. This is how many TED Talks open. And on YouTube, it's common among creators like Yes Theory, Matt D'Avella, and Nas Daily. The story comes first, then the value for the viewer. The goal is to spark empathy and curiosity. This could have happened to me. And then promise a practical takeaway. A story hook starts with a short personal moment, 1 or 2 lines, a crisis, a mistake, or sudden insight. It works great for education, lifestyle, productivity, career, finance, DIY, science, where trust and context matter. So, story hook has 4 components. Context in 1 line or shot, where you were and what was happening. A twist or crisis, what went wrong and what changed everything. Value promise, what it taught you and what the viewer will get. Bridge to the plan. Now I'll break it down step by step so you can repeat it without my mistakes. And these are the format variations. To adapt to the vertical format, we need to take context plus twist plus promise. Here's an example. I edited all night for a year and got nowhere. 1 trick saved hours. Here it is. For vertical use, context plus twist plus promise plus a roadmap. And here's an example. I kept switching strategies for a year and my views still didn't grow until I rewrote the first 10 seconds. Now I'll show you the opening formula that worked. How to strengthen a story hook. You need to be specific. Numbers, times, places, 1 vivid fact instead of vague wording. Add sensory detail. My battery dropped 2% in a minute. At 3:17 a.m., I deleted the file. Add stakes, what you risked or lost. Time, money, reputation. Be vulnerable without over drama though. Be honest, short and straight to the point. Quick bridge to value. Here's what you can take away from this so you don't get stuck in the narration. Grab the templates and examples in the lead magnet and we're moving on. A fact hook is when you take a dry, seemingly boring fact and turn it into real intrigue. That's exactly how Vsauce does it. Did you know that? And the viewer is instantly hooked. This works for 3 simple reasons. People love unexpected knowledge, especially when it breaks a familiar belief. A fact plus practical takeaway creates a short value loop. The viewer sees why it matters. If you immediately show how it applies to the viewer's life, retention goes up. Here's how to use this hook effectively. Use contrast. Compare something obvious with an unexpected result. Here's an example. Most people spend 2 hours a day on social media, but research shows that a 10-minute mindful break gives them more energy. Add micro demonstration. A visual or numeric proof right after the claim builds trust. Example, the fact: the brain forgets 70% of information within 24 hours. Let me show you a 2-second memory trick that fixes that. Use rarity psychology. People love when info feels unique or exclusive. So almost nobody knows that. A study that barely anyone has seen. Add stakes and consequences. Show what the viewer loses if they ignore the fact. Skip this and your productivity plan collapses. Now let's build a fact stat hook. Firstly, choose a specific fact, number, observation, or statistic that surprises and breaks a familiar assumption. For example, every minute the world creates so many photos that watching them back to back would take over 10 years. Then add contrast or consequences so the viewer understands why this matters. Then show practical application. And finally, add intrigue with rarity or an unexpected twist. Airrack pulls attention in a totally different way. He often opens with self-deprecation or a bold stunt with a comedic twist. And the viewer immediately thinks, what is he up to? And stays to see the outcome. A humor hook is a quick way to get a smile, diffuse tension, and still deliver value. And here's how it works for each format. Here's how to create one step by step. Find the funny or ridiculous moment, so a mistake, a slip up, an unexpected situation, or a bold experiment. It needs to make the viewer smile or blink in surprise right away. Add self-irony. Admit it was dumb or hilarious. Honestly, show the stakes or the value, why the moment matters, and then smoothly transition to the solution. That's the humor hook. Grab a laugh, build connection, then give the payoff. The last type is GaryVee's favorite. It's called the promise hook. You don't start by saying, I'm going to talk about. You start by telling the viewer exactly what they'll walk away with by watching till the end of the video. A formula, a checklist, a script, a plan, or a template. GaryVee's formula is simple. A direct promise of value plus a time constraint. Ideally, you also add micro proofs to show the result is real. A short example, a number, or a screenshot. Shrink everything into one short line for vertical videos or 2 lines for horizontal and go straight into action after the promise. This works well when the viewer has clearly got a goal and wants the solution without fluff. Promise hooks only work if you confirm them fast. Here's an example. In 30 seconds, I'll give you the headline formula that boosted our CTR by 22%. Here's one example. Then I'll walk you through the steps. For the hook to work long term, it's crucial to deliver exactly what you promised. A hollow promise kills trust and lowers retention on future videos. Here are some common mistakes. Promises that are too broad. By the end of this video, you'll understand everything. Doesn't work because it's unclear what the viewer actually gets from this. No measurability. Without a number, a format, or time constraints, it's hard to believe. Overblown or unrealistic promises. If the payoff doesn't match the format, the viewer feels baited. A long intro before delivering. A promise hook needs instant action. Otherwise, it feels manipulative. Okay, we've gone through all the hook types. Now the task is to pick the right one for your video and build it from scratch using a formula you can repeat every time. We start with the most important part, who you're talking to and why. Not whoever's interested, but clearly who your audience is, what goal you're trying to achieve, and what problem is stopping them right now. This is the foundation. You literally can't choose the right hook type without it. Next step is to choose the hook type. Once you understand the context, choose the delivery style. The same message can be wrapped in different ways. Now comes the most important thing, the promise. This is a short tweet-sized sentence that includes the results and the format of the result. The fewer the words, the higher the chance the viewer watches through the promise. Next step, after the promise, we add intrigue or proof. Next, we'll adapt the hook for the format. And the final step is a bridge to the plan. A hook can't end with a pause. Energy drops. Right after the opening line, move the viewer into the structure. For example, first we'll build a portfolio structure, then we'll format a real example, and at the end, I'll give you a template. Okay, now it's your turn. Take the topic of your next video and pick one type of hook, any of the 7 we've just covered, and make 2 versions, a short vertical one and a longer horizontal one, and do it right now while it's still fresh. And of course, grab the already made template and niche specific examples for every hook type in the description below. And when you're ready, drop your hook in the comments in 1 sentence. I'll go through them and give you feedback, plus suggest 1 line improvement. This always helps ground the idea and shows where you can add intrigue, specifics, or stakes. If you want more breakdowns, hit subscribe. It's gonna get practical.